Hey guys, Chris with MLC. Welcome back to the channel. Now this video is going to be a continuation of the last one where we started to bleed the transmission, we changed oil in the car, and we looked at the rear end. Now we hit that little road bump with the transmission where the bleeder broke. So I finally got the easy outs and we got the bleeders, so now it's just a matter of just getting underneath the car, getting the bleeder out of the housing. Wanted to get back to it sooner, but it's been a busy couple days around here. We got the new late model showed up. Well, we took the day yesterday to pull the engine, and then while we had the engine out, we are just kind of like, well, it needs clean, so we might as well just pull the body off it. So we went ahead and did that. Got the body panel sent off to some of the sponsors. Some are here. I got a set that's gonna be going up on the wall. Got the engine back this morning and the headers. So now it's just a matter of getting hold of the decal guy and getting the wrap going for the blue and white car, so we can get it all wrapped up and get it moved down to the owner's shop. Now the other car, it's back in the trailer. This week sometime we're gonna run it down to the car wash and really clean her. Might take you along for that trip. See how it goes. But it'll be a couple weeks before we start that one. We're gonna tear it down bolt to bolt and go through the car, make sure everything's good over the off season, and then we'll get her back together for the spring. How about I leave it up to you guys? Put in the comment section how far, I mean, if you want to go along for the whole trip of us tearing the car completely down, putting her back together, just leave a comment in the video and we'll just roll with it, I guess, and see where we go. Over the next couple weeks, there's shop updates that need to happen. Also got orders for pit lifts. So I have 2 of the pit lifts to build. I need to get them done. I'll probably get them done this week, and I got to work on a truck for my boy. That's basically where we're heading that way. So like I said, leave a comment about the new car, whether you want us to document the tearing her down and putting her back together. I'll leave that up to you guys. It's great, the response I've been getting on the channel, so I like to just keep that momentum moving forward. Enough of me talking. Let me get some lights under the car. I'll get the camera set up underneath there, and we'll see about getting this bleeder changed. Got that out. Let's get the other bleeder. Get it put in there. That's that. There's not much more I can do there until I get someone to bleed that clutch. All right, I got my helper back. He's in the car. What's up?
Hi.
Got the bleeder replaced, and we just need to get the clutch bled, and that'll take care of this thing. So let me put you under the car, get you positioned, and I'll be right back. All right, bud. Hold on a second. All right, pump it. Okay, hold on a second.
Just hold it down or let go?
Hold it all the way down.
Yep.
Keep holding it. Okay, is it barely moving?
Yeah, kind of.
How far is it moving?
About like an inch or 2.
That's about right. Give it like 5 or 6 pumps.
Okay.
Because that pedal, it's not like the brake pedal. It's only going to move like an inch or better.
Right.
Okay, got it?
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, hold it and keep pressure on it.
Alright.
Alright. Okay. Here, make sure I don't fall over. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we gotta add fluid to this master cylinder. Get that out, don't need that in there. This master cylinder, because this one is for the clutch. Alright. Okay. Now we got that refilled. Come back over here. Okay. Give her a couple pumps there, bub.
What's that?
You holding it down?
Alright.
Okay, that was all fluid. Alright, pump it. How's that?
Same as before, it's kind of like just about an inch or inch and a half.
Okay, that should be good. Okay, well, that takes care of that. Alright, bud. You hop out. Make some room with the thing back for you. Alright. Well, I should do that. Next step is gotta hook the electrical wires back up and get fired up. Then we can out the door. Well, as soon as we. My own kid asked him, "Hey, have you subscribed yet?" Oh, wait a second. Yeah, that's love. Yeah, my YouTube channel. Support it. After 100 subscribers here, let me look it up and find you. And, you gotta find it. You haven't even looked it up. That is some bull. That's gonna conclude this one. This one's gonna be another short and sweet video. I wanted to finish up getting that bleeder taken care of, so we just move on to the next thing, which is going to be that right front brake caliper, getting it swapped out. I just got to hook a few wires back up in the dashboard, then we'll get this thing fired up, and hopefully this weekend we can get it moved outside. But before I can do that, I've got to get that out of here. So yeah, 5.4 Triton. I had him buy a complete Ford OEM timing set, VCT solenoids. We got spark plugs, but oh my lord, on that. Made him buy the tools to extract them if we have to. Please, dear Lord, baby Jesus, don't make me have to do that. I really tried to talk him in to taking this somewhere and having it done, but you know, fresh out on his own, all of a sudden that happens with his vehicle, and he's been in my Camaro for a while now, so his days of driving that are coming to an end here with snow coming. So I want that back in the garage. So as soon as this is out of here, I'm gonna be stuck on this for a couple days, and we'll get back to old Blue here. We'll get it wrapped up. Oh, speaking of wraps, gonna send the information off tomorrow for the wrap for the car. And hopefully we can hear back from that, find out when he has some free time, and he'll come over and install the wrap. I'll talk to him and see if he doesn't mind us doing a little video of that if he doesn't care. But I'll talk to him first about that. But that's where we're going. Get this finished up, get this thing finished up, get this wrapped, and I'm hoping to get it moved down to his shop, and then that frees up a little time to do the things I need to do here in the shop. And then once those things get accomplished, then it's get the number 7 car, Chad's old car that Mike just bought, get it out of the trailer, get it in here, finish stripping the deck off of it. We're gonna take her down to the car wash, clean it up, bring it back here, and just tear her down and go through her nut and bolt and just make sure everything's good. I mean, we're not gonna get carried away with it. I mean, we're gonna take it down, we're gonna clean it all, check ball joints, check bearings, just have a quick look over the car, see if there's any tubing that's cracked, and then just put it back together. Get the Ingram put back in there. The only thing I gotta do is I gotta get a hold of Wilds about these headers. Where are you at? One of them, is it this one? Yeah. One of them broke clean in half after one night. And you can't tell if you can see that. There's a crack all along that weld there, as well as all along that joint right there. So I'm gonna have a talk with them, see what they have to say. We'll go from there. All right, guys, so that'll bring it into this video. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't yet, please like, subscribe, hit the icon, the bell icon down in the corner so you know when I upload new content, and I'll see you in the next video.